100 English words that start with I. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Mike, I have a question.
What is it, Myra?
Is today's letter I?
Yes, and I'm incredibly excited
Then let's introduce 100 English words.
that all begin with the letter I.
You'll improve your vocabulary one word at a time.
So listen carefully,
Repeat after us.
and let's get started. Ice.
Ice.
Idea.
Idea.
Ideal.
Ideal.
Identity.
Identity.
If.
If.
Ignore.
Ignore.
Ill.
Ill.
Illegal.
Illegal.
Illness.
Illness.
Image.
Image. Great start.
Let's keep the words flowing. Imagine.
Imagine.
Immediate.
Immediate.
Impact.
Impact.
Import.
Import.
Important.
Important.
Impress.
Impress.
Improve.
Improve.
In.
In.
Include.
Include.
Income.
Income.
You're doing great.
Keep speaking with us.
Increase.
Increase.
Independent.
Independent.
Index.
Index.
Indian.
Indian.
Indoor.
Indoor.
Industry.
Industry.
Influence.
Influence.
Inform.
Inform.
Information.
Information.
Ingredient.
Ingredient.
You're on fire.
Keep up the rhythm.
Initial.
Initial.
Injure.
Injure.
Injury.
Injury.
Ink.
Ink.
Inner.
Inner.
Innocent.
Innocent.
Input.
Input.
Inside.
Inside.
Insight.
Insight.
Inspire.
Inspire.
We're more than halfway there.
Let's finish strong.
Instant.
Instant.
Instead.
Instead.
Institution.
Institution.
Instruction.
Instruction.
Instrument.
Instrument.
Insurance.
Insurance.
Intend.
Intend.
Interest.
Interest.
Internet.
Internet.
Interview.
Interview. You're almost done.
20 more to go. Let's finish together. Into.
Into.
Introduce.
Introduce.
Introduction.
Introduction.
Invent.
Invent.
Invention.
Invention.
Invest.
Invest.
Invite.
Invite.
Involve.
Involve.
Iron.
Iron.
Island.
Island.
Final 10. Let's go.
Stay with us.
Issue.
Issue.
It.
It.
Item.
Item.
Itself.
Itself.
Ivy.
Ivy.
Iceberg.
Iceberg.
Idealism.
Idealism.
Illustration.
Illustration.
Immigrant.
Immigrant.
Interaction.
Interaction. And that's it. 100 words starting with I.
You've done an incredible job.
Rewatch and practice anytime you like.
Speak clearly and grow your vocabulary every day.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
And keep your learning journey going.
We're proud of you.
See you in the next video.